How to clear Google search history on your computer. Okay, so I'm going to show in this video how you can delete your history, search history, watch video, anything you have done in your browser, so you can delete it. There is a two type history I will show in this video. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So here, this is my Google account and this is my account. So guys, there is a two type of history, which is first which save in your browser, and second which is save on your account. So I will show you one by one. First, I'm going to show you how you can clear your browser history. So if you're using Chrome browser, so uh, there is a history where you have to click on this three dot option and go to history, click again history, and here you can see the all history, and you can clear it by clicking on this. And here you can see the two option. First, there is a three option, which is browsing history, cookies, and caches. There is a three type of history. In advance, you will see the password, autofill data set, site settings, and another whatever you have, saved password and everything. So if whatever you want, you just select it. I want to just select my cookies, browser history, and caches image. And here you have to select all time if you want to clear all everything. But if you want to clear like last 24 hours or 7 days, on only last 4 week, means 1 month, you can select it, try match, and clear it. Okay, so if you want to clear everything like password, save password, autofill the form, everything, just select everything from here and select the date range, which is all time, and clear it. So your browsing history will be deleted. Now we are going to show how you can delete your account history. So Google also save your all activities, whatever you done on your computer or laptop or mobile, it will be saved on your Google account. So how you can delete it? So you can follow the same step on your mobile phone. Okay, log in with your account, go to the manager. Okay, log in with your account, and here search my activities Google, my Google activities, whatever. So this link will be open, myactivities.google.com. Just click on it. So here you can see your three type of activities Google save, which is web and app activities, YouTube history, and location history. Also my location history has been off, so it will be not saved. So now this is your all activities. You can see whatever you had done on your phone or whatever, so it will be shown here. And now how you can delete it? Go to the delete activities, and here you can select the time range. If you can select range also, or you can select last date, last hours, or select all time. Okay, so you can select the service also. So select all product, whatever you want to delete. So I want to delete all history of this product, and just click on next. And now this is history, and just confirm, it will be deleted. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.